Big project of the weekend, Mom. We've been under non-stop construction for the last couple months. And this room shows it. Nothing's been getting done in here at all. Today we're going to clean it. Reorganize the computers, get everything hooked up. Get that desk put together. Windows done. Some trim up maybe. But try to get it all done. After I do a quick walkthrough on the studio, show you where I'm at this point. Got a lot of things cleaned up in here. I really don't get to use this office at this point unless I'm home. I figured I'd do a quick walkthrough while I'm here and get things getting back in order after all the construction we've been going through. Start with, get up. Okay, that's our, got a teleprompter built. Keep the camera behind it. It's all run off of these cam links. Works great. That's my desktop that I'm using now. It's a Linux system. It's running Ubuntu Studio. Then I'm using the Behringer monitors. Now I've got a Behringer soundboard. I still got a lot of cable management to deal with. Got a basic sound setup. Running a Behringer preamp for my mic and the condenser and an equalizer. Nothing real special. Then we've got the full media server here, which is basically all my TV and everything in the truck. Got 2 UPSs hooked up on it. This computer system is run with a UPS system. Running 3 monitors on it. Using Audio Technica microphone. I really like it when it does good, crisp, clean sound. My drone's up there. I really hadn't figured out how to use it yet. I'm debating if I want to buy a better one or not. And I'm using a green screen behind it, so it makes it a little bit easier because this side's a bit of a mess. This is the wife's computer. I've set it up for her. It's a 1-to-7 system. And it has an i7 in it. Good graphic card and all. Good system. And we got a bit of a mess here then. This is pretty much my equipment storage. It's my crane boom, various computer stuff, my Gigapan, other camera and lenses, soft boxes, studio lighting, more booms and stuff, more lenses, more computers, more studio lighting. These all got all my various things in it. My extra monitor for my crane boom, extra strapping. All this still hasn't been gone through. I might go through it all. My backdrops, and various things. And since they've gone through all these, it's just a big mess. Back here, hopefully we'll get all this cleaned up. I can pull this drop out where all this is visible when we're doing recordings. Then let's try to keep these closed. It's pretty much a studio. Like I said, I really don't get to use this system that much. This is pretty much while I'm home, which is a rarity. I use the stuff in the truck more than I use any of this. And like I said, there's a lot of cleanup that's got to be done in here. There's network printer, Gator hard case that all my sound equipment will fit into if I decide to do something on the move. And this system seems to work pretty good. Also, I still got cable management to do on this. Still got cables to hook up and stuff to put my thing to Skype and all that. I just really been working on other things. But it gives you a good ever look at what we got.